People often come into their bathroom remodel and underestimate the cost. It's smart to come in with a realistic budget. Let's talk about the cost. Bathroom remodels are one of the most rewarding upgrades you can make to your home, but also one of the easiest to underestimate. So how do you set a budget that's realistic without falling into the trap of either underplanning or overspending? Let's break it down. Hey, I'm Christina with JSB Home Solutions. Whether you're updating a dated hall bath or completely reimagining a master suite, one of the biggest questions we hear from Central Ohio homeowners is, what should I budget for my bathroom remodel? And honestly, it's not always an easy answer. There are so many variables: size, materials, layout changes, and even what's hiding behind the walls. But there are some practical ways to create a budget that's grounded, flexible, and informed. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set a realistic budget for your bathroom renovation based on your goals, your home, and the level of investment that actually makes sense. Let's begin with the size and type of your bathroom that you're remodeling. A small powder room remodel, sink, toilet, flooring, paint, might range from $5,000 to $9,000. A standard 5x8 hall bath with a tub shower combo, vanity, toilet, and flooring usually falls between $18,000 and $25,000, depending on materials and layout. A primary bathroom with a walk-in shower, double vanity, and custom elements can run $28,000 to $40,000 or more, especially if you're moving plumbing or upgrading finishes. These ranges assume that you're doing a professional, full-scope remodel, not just a quick refresh with paint and new hardware. It also assumes quality materials that will stand up to moisture and daily use. Before you even start picking out tile samples, ask yourself, what's the goal of this remodel? Are you trying to update an old, worn-out space? Improve the layout or functionality? Create a spa-like experience? Prep your house for resale? Your goals shape where the budget should go. For example, if your bathroom has water damage or mold issues, most of your budget may need to go towards what's behind the walls. If your layout works, but the materials are dated, you can often reallocate more towards finishes and fixtures. At JSB, we help you define your priorities early, so the budget goes to the things that actually matter to you, not just what looks good on a Pinterest board. There are a few major factors that drive the cost of a bathroom remodel. Layout changes. Moving plumbing or electrical will always add cost. Keeping the toilet, shower, and vanity in the same spot helps your budget go further. Material selections. Tile versus solid surface, builder grade versus designer fixtures, quartz versus cultured marble. Every choice impacts price, and there's usually a middle ground. Scope of work. Are you gutting the whole thing to the studs or doing a cosmetic refresh? A full demo and rebuild costs more, but it also gives you peace of mind that any hidden issues are being addressed properly. Here's a mistake we see all the time. Homeowners budget for exactly what they want, but they don't leave any room for the unexpected. The truth is, bathrooms can hide a lot of problems: leaks, mold, rotted subfloors, outdated plumbing, and once you open up the walls, you can't ignore them. That's why we recommend setting aside a 10 to 15% contingency buffer in your budget. If everything goes smoothly, great, but if you run into something behind the walls, you'll be ready. Avoid the budget trap. Let's be honest, there are companies out there advertising complete bathroom remodels for $5,999 or similar. And while that price sounds amazing, it rarely includes everything. Often these low-price remodels use extremely cheap materials, skip proper prep work or waterproofing, don't include plumbing or electrical updates, or they leave out demo, permits, and repairs. The result? You get a surface level update that might look okay for a year or two, and then it starts falling apart. That's money wasted. So instead of looking for the lowest number, look for honest numbers and quality work that will last. You can do a beautiful bathroom remodel without blowing your budget. You just need the right plan. If you're starting to plan a bathroom remodel and not sure what a realistic budget looks like for your space, here are a few easy next steps. Start by writing down your top 3 priorities. What matters the most in your new space? Gather some inspiration photos to clarify your style and expectations. Then, reach out for a free consultation. We'll walk your bathroom, talk through your goals, and help you understand what kind of budget will actually get the job done. without any pressure or sales pitch. If you're not ready to meet just yet, feel free to explore our blog about how much does a full bathroom remodel cost. You can find the link in the description. A solid budget isn't just about dollars, it's about confidence, clarity, and knowing your remodel is headed in the right direction. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big, remodel smart.